Let us study chemical changes and how the word equation can be formed. During a chemical change, the chemical composition of original matter changes and new substances having different properties and different chemical composition are formed. A chemical equation can be written for a chemical change. If the exact change in chemical composition is known, names and chemical formulae of the original substance and newly formed substance are used while writing a chemical equation. For example, when baking soda is added to lemon juice, a chemical change takes place in the citric acid present in the lemon juice and the gas formed is carbon dioxide. The word equation can be written for this chemical. Children, whenever chemical change takes place, you all know that a new substance having entirely different properties are formed, the chemical composition changes. So, we can write the word equation by writing the names of the concerned substances. And chemical equation can be formed by writing the chemical formula. So, we have to write two equations. Number one, word equation, and number two, chemical equation. So, if you know the names of the substances taking part in the chemical reaction, then we can write the word equation. And if we know the chemical formula of the substances taking part in the chemical change, then chemical equation can be framed. For example, when baking soda is added to lemon juice, a chemical change takes place. Citric acid, which is present in lemon juice, reacts with baking powder and gas is released, and that gas released is carbon dioxide. Here you can see word equation can be written like that. Citric acid, name of chemicals are written here. Citric acid plus sodium carbonate, bicarbonate. Citric acid is present in lemon juice. Sodium bicarbonate is nothing but baking soda. Carbon dioxide gas is released and sodium citrate, a new substance, has been formed here. Actually, this is a neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with alkali and salt is formed here with the release of carbon dioxide gas. Have you understood the reaction? Formation of carbon dioxide gas with effervescence is clearly seen in the reaction when citric acid and sodium bicarbonate react with each other. Children, you can do this activity. In a plastic bottle, you can take baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, and citric acid is added to that, and you can tie a flattened balloon over the mouth of the plastic bottle. When the gas is released in this reaction, the gas will collect in the balloon and the balloon gets inflated. Is it simple to do? Yes. First step of writing chemical equation is to write word equation by using the names of the concerned substances. So you can write first word equation, and word equation can be framed if we know the names of the concerned substances. When the chemical formula is written in place of each of names, it becomes a chemical equation. While writing a chemical equation, original substances are written on the left hand side and newly formed substances are written on the right side, and the arrow is drawn in between. Arrowhead points towards the substance formed. Arrow indicates the direction of reaction. Substances written on the left side of the arrow are original substances that take part in the reaction. They are called reactant. New substances formed as a result of reaction are called products. Place the place for products of the reaction is on right side of the arrow. Children, you can see here original substances are written on the left hand side. Citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, these are the original substances and that are written on the left hand side of the arrowhead, and the newly formed substances are written on the right hand side of the arrow, and this direction of arrow shows that a new substance has been formed at the right hand side, and left hand side shows original substances. The substances which are written on the left hand side of the arrow are called as reactants. So what are the names of the reactants here? Citric acid and sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. And the substances, the new substances which are formed as a result of reaction are called as products, and the products are written on the right side of the arrow. Is it clear to you? So what are the names of reactants here? Citric acid and sodium bicarbonate are reactants, and carbon dioxide and sodium citrate are the products. Is it clear to you? Reactants are written on the left side of the arrow and products are written on the right side of the arrow. Chemical changes in everyday life. We find many examples of chemical changes in our surrounding, body, home and laboratory. Let us see some chemical changes for which word and chemical equation can be written easily. Children, can you guess any chemical change which you can observe around yourself? In means you can see these changes in your everyday life? Very simple. Photosynthesis process. Plants prepare their own food with the help of photosynthesis. Here in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide gas and water are the reactants, and glucose and oxygen are the products. Green plant utilize sunlight, and with the help of chloroplast which contains chlorophyll, they carry out this process of photosynthesis. Then respiration is also going on continuously as a biological process in all living beings, and this is also a very good example of natural chemical change, right? Let us study natural chemical changes. Respiration is a continuously occurring biological process. In this process, we inhale the air and exhale carbon dioxide and water vapor. After an in-depth study, it is learnt that glucose in the cells react with oxygen in the inhaled air to form carbon dioxide and water. The word equation and the chemical equation of this chemical reaction are as follows. Here the chemical equation is not balanced. Children, see here word equation has been framed. Glucose and oxygen, they are the reactants. Glucose in the cells react with oxygen uh, in the inhaled air. Oxygen in the inhaled air reacts with glucose which is present in the cells, and carbon dioxide and water, they are formed as a product. So in word equation, glucose and oxygen are written in the left hand side of the arrow. They are reactants, and carbon dioxide and water, they are new substances which are formed here in the process of respiration, and they are products. Chemical equation: glucose has formula C6H12O6, oxygen has formula O2, carbon dioxide has formula CO2, and water has formula H2O. So if we know the chemical formulae, then we can frame chemical equation. So the chemical equation of respiration process is C6H12O6 plus O2 is equal to CO2 and H2O. Glucose in the cells react with oxygen and carbon dioxide and water is formed, and the energy which is released is stored in the form of ATP, and therefore here mitochondria plays very important role, and mitochondria are called as powerhouse of cell. Clear? Take some freshly prepared lime water, solution of calcium hydroxide in a test tube. Keep on blowing in it with a blow tube. What is seen after some time? See children, if you take freshly prepared lime water in a test tube and if you keep on blowing air into it, after some time you will find that white insoluble solid particles are formed and they get settled down in the bottom of the test tube. This is the precipitate of calcium carbonate, and the turning milky millie got lime water means the blown gas mixed in it was carbon dioxide. So the word equation is calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate plus water. Children, do you remember in the lesson number 12, that is acid, bases and salt, I have actually shown you the video in which means the reaction was shown. uh, Metal carbonates react with acid to form carbon dioxide gas. If you watch that video again, you will find that CO2 gas is liberated, and that CO2 gas, if it is passed through lime water turns milky. Lime water is taken into test tube and air is blown into that with the help of straw, and lime water turns milky. It is due to carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide turns lime water cloudy or milky. Carbon dioxide plus calcium hydroxide, that is also called as lime water, gives calcium carbonate plus water. If you know the chemical formulae of reactants and products, then chemical equation can be framed. CO2 plus CaOH by 2 gives CaCO3, calcium carbonate, and water is formed. Second natural chemical change is photosynthesis. You all know that green plants perform photosynthesis in sunlight. A word equation and a chemical equation, unbalanced chemical equation, can be written for this natural chemical change. Word equation is carbon dioxide plus water. Plants use sunlight and chlorophyll in this process, and glucose and oxygen. These two products are formed here. Chemical equation: carbon dioxide has chemical formula as CO2, water has molecular formula H2O, and glucose has formula C6H12O6, and oxygen has formula O2. CO2 plus H2O gives C6H12O6 plus O2. Photosynthesis process: plants draws up water through its roots. The leaves take CO2 from air. The leaves trap energy from sunlight. The plant uses the energy of sunlight to turn water and CO2 into sugars and oxygen. The plant releases oxygen into the air, and the sugar is used for its growth. Carbon dioxide is taken from air. Water is absorbed by roots. Sunlight is trapped by leaves, and photosynthesis takes place. Glucose is stored for the and it is utilized for the growth of the plant, and oxygen gas is released. So photosynthesis is a natural chemical change. We have studied two natural chemical changes, respiration and photosynthesis. Thank you.